awesome video for you guys. I'm going to be filming some low-carb tacos for you. So let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna go over the ingredients and then we'll get into cooking this thing. So the first thing you're gonna wanna start with is some lean ground beef. I grabbed 93% lean, 7% fat beef, which is what I have right here, just because I want it to be a little bit lower calorie, so less fat is gonna help us to have lower calorie meat for this dish. Next up, I have some parsley. Normally I use cilantro, but we had parsley and I didn't want to pay the extra 99 cents to get something else, and it works just fine. And then I have an ear of corn, the Old El Paso taco seasoning mix in the 25% less sodium. You don't have to grab this one, I just grab it because less sodium. Great, sounds good. Then you're gonna need some romaine lettuce, some Mexican cheese. This is the reduced fat from Sargento, but again, you don't have to get this one. I'm just trying to make this as low calorie as possible, so reduced fat is gonna help with that. Next, I also have light sour cream. This is like nothing but light stuff. Light sour cream as well, and lastly, an avocado. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to shuck the corn and then we're going to cut off the kernels. Normally I just take the ear of corn and I cut it in half, and then I take the flat end, stick it on the table, and then I slide the knife down. But my family actually has this really fancy corn husking thing, so I'm gonna use this for today. I'm gonna go ahead and chuck it right into the pan. So I'm going to put just a little bit of cooking oil in it. This is like a fancy thing that like makes your olive oil spray instead of pour. Doesn't work very well though. Now you just take this thing and go like that. Then I'm gonna start to roast the corn on a medium-high heat until it's kind of roasted and it's got maybe some black smoky marks on it as well. To add a little flavor to the corn, I'm just gonna go ahead and salt it and put a little bit of pepper on it as well. While the corn is roasting, I'm going to take my avocado and I'm going to cut it in half, just all the way. You can kind of slide the knife right around the nut in the middle. And then after you slide it all the way around, you can literally just twist it and pull it apart. Neato! Neato! And then I just take the knife and I cut some slices right down in the avocado, as you can see. Take the nut out, you can just hit it with your knife, twist it, and it should pop right out. Again, just slicing right down the avocado. Then I'm gonna open up my light sour cream, mix it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna take like a 2 tablespoon dollop, maybe a tablespoon and a half, and drop that into the bowl. And then with the same spoon, because we're gonna mix this all together, all you have to do after you cut your avocado is stick your spoon in it, and it should pop right out like that. Just doing the other half now. Right now the corn is about done roasting. It's got some really pretty brown marks on it. So I'm gonna take my ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze that, okay, that works, into the pan. And then I'm just going to stab it and break it up. It's really loud, but after you put your beef in the pan, you're gonna wanna add your taco seasoning. Now I'm just mixing that all together, continuing to kind of stab big pieces of beef up so that they're nice and ground down in little chunks, which will make the taco easier to eat, obviously. While my beef continues to cook, I'm going to take some of this parsley and chop it up. I literally hate the sound a knife makes on a glass chopping board. After all my parsley is chopped up, I'm just throwing it in my hand and I'm adding it to that bowl of sour cream and avocado that we made earlier. While the beef continues to cook, I'm just gonna take this bowl of avocado, sour cream, and parsley, and I'm gonna take a fork and I'm literally just gonna mash down the avocado and mix it on up. You could call this guacamole, but I find that sour cream makes it not guacamole. And And now we have a beautiful, tasty bowl of guacamole a la Holly with sour cream. Now that our beef is all nice and cooked, I'm gonna take some of this lettuce, which has already been washed, just saying. Now you don't need lettuce this intense. This is like huge lettuce, holy crap. This is going to act as our taco shell to help keep this a low-calorie meal. So to start, I'm just gonna take my taco shell and I'm going to add some of this avocado and sour cream guac. I don't know what you want to call it. It's like, it's not a sauce, but it's not really guac. Then we're gonna add some of our beef and corn to the mix. Ooh. And then top it with a little bit of this cheese. Yes, honey. Yes. The fun thing about this recipe is that you can turn this into anything you want. You can make it a burrito, you can make it a taco salad, you can add more vegetables, you can use turkey or pork or chicken, whatever you want to do. You could add lemon juice to the guacamole. I should have done that, probably would have been really good. But there's tons that you can do with this recipe, but the point is just use some lower calorie options and maybe use a lettuce wrap instead of a flour tortilla or a corn tortilla just to keep that calorie count and that carb count a little bit lower. But yeah, now we're gonna do a taste test. Look how cute. It's literally a little burrito. Precious. So good. The tiny bit of spice mixed with like the coolness from the avocado and sour cream is literally so good. And the corn adds a little bit of sweetness to it too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and also hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me later on. I hope you'll have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you follow all of my social media links, which will be right here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.